Hey everyone, Irix Guy here. Now if you bought your iPhone 5 and you forgot to order an extra cable when you got it, probably didn't get your cable for a long time, but I just got mine today, my extra cable. So let's do an unboxing video here. This is just a Lightning to USB cable. The cable that comes with your iPhone 5. Well, I got this sucker in here. I may have to rip into this very well decorated box. Let's see, let's get it up. We'll just open it this way. I would bring out a knife or something, I just don't have one with me right now. As always, Apple does a great packaging job. It's like, hi there, I am a Lightning cable. And then this end's like, hey man, I'm USB. And he's like, I'm Lightning, I'm USB, let's fight. Bang, bang, bang. And you can hear the thunder and everything when this Lightning cable gets in a fight with itself. Lightning wins! USB for life, dog. Anyway, whatever you may find when you open your box of goodness, the main thing is that it's an extra cable for your iPhone 5, and probably I would bet you're going to see this adapter in iPad mini, probably a refresh of the big iPad. Just a good cable, and I like how you can stick it in either way and it works. But thanks for tuning in, and as always, feel free to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IrixGuy. Y'all have a good day.